This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I felt like doing a good old-fashioned hairstyle compilation. It's been a while. I used to do these all the time, and now that I have my pregnancy hair, which is just thick and much longer than it used to be and shiny, I have just really enjoyed experimenting with my hair a little bit more again lately. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna share a bunch of hairstyles that you can do super quick, just a few minutes, take very little time, but that are super cute, girly, feminine, perfect for spring. Whenever spring comes around, I always get into this like very feminine energy. I want to dress all in pink and florals and bows, accessorize my hair a bit more and just put in more effort again. So yeah, all of these are going to be very quick, very simple. Anyone can do these. Now I do want to mention it's not necessary, but starting with curled hair is like half the effort, honestly. I did my hair in rag curls tonight. We'll have a link here to my video all about how you can do that. Super simple, again, takes no time and effort at all, and you wake up with this lovely curled hair. I personally feel like that makes a big difference in how these styles look and how quick and easy it is to finish your hair with just a few hair accessories. But you can absolutely do all of these styles on pretty much any hair type. You may just have to adapt them a little bit. So, okay, enough chatting. Let's get started. For the first style, I'm gonna use this adorable headband that I have. It's from Fable, England. Literally one of the prettiest things I own. So I'm gonna start by separating out my bangs and a few front pieces here. Then just push the rest of my hair behind my ears so that I have this nice separation that I can then slide my headband into. I always feel like a headband looks a little bit cuter with some hair in front. So just a little trick to make the whole look a bit softer than if you just push your hair back with the headband. So next up, I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing, but this time I'm gonna use a scarf. And I love using scarf as hair accessories. They offer so much versatility. They look adorable. You can get them in all colors, shapes, sizes, textures, materials. And it's a really fantastic way to reuse this accessory. So I'm gonna slide it underneath my hair, tie a knot on top of my head, and then tuck the ends underneath the sides of the scarf. And this creates a very similar look to the headband that I was just wearing. But if you don't like this, of course, you can have the top just be smooth and have the knot at the bottom of the hair. Something else you could do is fold your scarf into a triangle and just twist the top of it to create a little bit of a smaller headscarf. This works fantastic if your scarf is a little bit too big to just wear the whole thing as a headscarf. So you can just, once again, do the same thing, wrap it around your head, tie it in the bottom, and it looks a little something like this. And I love this look for spring. I think it looks fantastic with the dress. Now, if you don't have bangs or curtain bangs or just some kind of swoopy hair in the front, you can totally fake this by just taking the front section of hair, carefully swooping it over your forehead and then pinning it on the side of your head with two bobby pins crossed over into an X that makes them a lot more secure. So just make sure that you really spread out this hair, play around with it a little bit until it looks natural and kind of like a curtain bang-ish. And I feel like this gives a very similar effect to actual curtain bangs, but once again, you don't actually need to have them to do this. So if I wear the scarf over, you can see what this looks like. You can't see the bobby pins at all, and there's just a little bit of something going on there. And I always think it looks extra cute if you pull out a little bit of hair from just right above your ear. Makes it look a little bit more disheveled and organic, I guess. Love this style for spring. And it protects your hair from the sun as well. There's more hairstyles coming, but I just wanted to take a little break to tell you a little bit about today's sponsor, as this video is very kindly sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online website building platform. They allow you to build yourself an online presence through a website, a blog, an online portfolio, a web store, any type of website you need. Squarespace makes it super easy to build one completely yourself. They have a bunch of templates that you can choose from for all different kinds and types of websites. If you find one that you really like, you can go ahead and customize everything from the colors to the font to the images to the sections on the website. They have a really easy drag and drop system on their back end. It's called their Fluid Engine that allows you to build your website completely the way it's going to look in the finished result as well. So it's a very visual and intuitive way of building a website. You could also build your own template by walking through their template generator. They ask you a bunch of questions to figure out what your website needs, and then they kind of build a template for you that you can then go ahead and customize. It's really cool, really easy to work with, and actually really fun to play around if you have an idea in mind for a website. Squarespace also offers domains, so it really is a one-stop shop even if you're a complete beginner. So you can head to squarespace.com to start your free trial, and once you're ready to launch your website, make sure to go to squarespace.com/Loepsie and use code Loepsie to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or domain. Huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. And now let's continue with more hairstyles. Now, I personally think there are few hairstyles as girly or feminine as a half up, half down style. Almost universally flattering, one of my favorite styles to just quickly do in my hair if I don't have a lot of time. Bonus points if you use a bow to make it. So I have this bow that is attached to a clip that I can use to just clip back the top portion of my hair. Once again, I'm leaving the bangs out in front. You can of course pull all of your hair back if you prefer that, but this just looks absolutely adorable. It takes seconds to do and really elevates your look. If you don't have a bow that is attached to a clip like that, you can always just use a little hair elastic and take a ribbon, whatever ribbon you have lying around, tie that around the elastic to create a similar look. Now for me personally, in spring and summer, there are a few things that go above a high ponytail, especially when it comes to cute girly hairstyles. High ponytails are just the way to go. So I'm gonna go ahead, tie my hair into a high ponytail, and then I'm gonna do a little trick that I personally think makes it look even cuter than just simply a ponytail. If your hair is curled and you comb it through or brush it through all together, the whole ponytail, and then twist it, it will form this kind of spiral curl around itself, kind of clumped together, and just look absolutely adorable. And once again, if you put a bow on it, even cuter. For this next style, I'm gonna do kind of a half up, half down thing again, but this time I'm gonna add some braids, because braids are cute, they are girly, they are fairly easy to do, and they just really elevate any hairstyle. So I'm gonna take the front of my hair here, do a French braid or a Dutch braid. Actually, this is a Dutch braid for a little portion, like halfway down the side of my head, and then afterwards just finish it with a regular braid a little ways down my head. So more or less I want the braid to be able to reach to the center of my head in the back. And once I have that on both sides, I'm gonna pull them back, pull out the clips that I put in there just to hold the braid until I was done with the other one. And I'm gonna come in with my clip bow again, but you could use any type of hair accessory from a claw clip to a hair elastic, just anything you have, even an X of bobby pins. Tie these two together and it looks a little something like this. Once again, super cute, super quick to do, and just adds a lot to your look. Now for a hairstyle that I personally feel is a little bit more mature maybe than the rest of these, a side braid. Can't go wrong with a side braid. So feminine, so beautiful. So all you have to do for this is just literally swoop all of your hair to one side and braid it over your shoulder. It's so easy to do as well. It takes literally seconds. Next to no effort, and once again, just a few curls framing the face and this is done and absolutely adorable. So once you have tied it off with a hair elastic, you can once again choose to accessorize this with a bow or even use a cute elastic, like with a collar or something. Go back to floof up this braid a little bit by just gently tugging at the sides to make it look a bit more loose and casual. And there's the look. Absolutely love this. I feel like you can't go wrong with this one. So lastly, I have a very quick style that I like to resort to if I actually have no time at all to do my hair, but still want to look like I have made some effort. I just pull back this very top front portion of my hair with a claw clip. That is it. I do it on both sides, and I feel like this just really helps add a lot of texture to my hair. I have a little bit of layers going on, and this just really helps to add a little bit of texture, some visual interest to the hair without taking any effort at all. But it just, yeah, gives your hair a little bit more structure and makes it look a little bit more done and cute, and like you put some effort in. those are all the styles that I have for you today. So I really hope I was able to give you a little bit of inspiration on how you can very easily just add a little bit extra to your hair with next to no effort and no time investment. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see all of my upcoming videos. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You could go watch next. I have an archive of about 10 years worth of hair videos, so if you're interested in that, please feel free to check out my hair tutorial playlist. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!